You can have all of mine, baby, you can have all my time now. I just wanna see you shine. Girl, you like a perfect diamond. This is got me, got you, always.
They get the transcript. The lady's like, okay, you find your transcript. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's pick your classes, girl. I feel like I should have some dramatic music because the amount of emotions that's flowing through me, like even just talking about it again, is just getting me agitated all over again. So she get the transcript and she's like, oh, we're missing your graduation information. Like your graduation date is not on there, and this code, I don't even know what freak kind of code is supposed to be on there, it's not on there, so we can't go through with this. So I'm like, bitch, wait. She's like, yeah, we can't, you can't pick your classes until you get that transcript. Is there any way you can come back tomorrow? Come back tomorrow? I told that lady, I said, baby, I live 6 hours away from this school. There ain't no way that I could just come the next day and give you my transcript. Because mind you, I would have to drive down 6 hours and wait the next day till my school's open, then drive back up another 6 hours. The college is closed at that time. Then I have to wait another day. Mind you, I need to book a whole new room for the to stay in, just to give these people my freaking transcripts. No, like no, nobody has the time, the money, the patience. No, it wasn't happening. So they was like, okay, don't fret. She called this lady over. She was like, oh yeah, you can't pick your classes today, but we do have an option where you could do a virtual advising appointment once you receive your transcripts. I'm like, okay, like that's even better. Like, why didn't you tell me this before? Like, but anyways, whatever. She said, yeah, you could do a virtual advising appointment. It's basically the same. They can either Skype you, call you, whatever. I was like, okay, I'll do that then. I'll just wait on my transcripts and then I'll call you guys. I went back home and it's the next day. It's Thursday the 12th. I go to the school and I get a hard copy of my transcripts sealed, and I go to the post office and I get it sent off. Make sure that it was a priority mail, and then I made sure that someone had to sign off on it so they can't be like, oh, we didn't receive it. Because how you didn't receive it if someone signed off on it? Hello. I was a little parched. They can't be like, oh, they didn't receive it, because someone did receive it. I sent it Thursday, so they should receive it on Friday, but I wanted to give it a day so they can like receive it or whatever. So I called them on Monday to tell them that I sent it. They said that it can take 5 to 7 business days for them to put it in the system, and they'll take the hold off. So by the next Friday, like the hold should be off on your account. So I was like, okay, good. And then I could pick my classes. I called the week of between 22nd and 28th. I called that Monday, the 23rd. They were like, oh yes, they received it, so I should be able to pick my classes. So I'm like, great. I call a different number. I call advising, and I tell them about my situation, and they told me that I couldn't go through with the with the virtual advising appointment. They told me that I, Diamond, can't go through with my virtual advising appointment, and that the waiting list, there is none. So I have to come in. I would have to come in and do orientation all over again. At this point, I'm livid. Like, I am livid to the freaking max. Cause one, when I was up there, they told me I was able to do my virtual advising appointment. 2, I have to wait on y'all because y'all can't get it right. I had to wait 2 weeks after sending the freaking transcripts. I can't even talk, I'm so mad. I had to wait 2 weeks to do my virtual advising appointment because y'all f***ed up. And now I can't even do my virtual advising appointment. I have to come in. Like, I have to take time off to come in. My mom has to take time off from work to come in because I'm not understanding. I was so mad. I'm like, Diamond, you want to go to college, you want to be away, you want to do this, you want to do that. Like, at this point, I wanted to break down and cry because there was just a lot that's been going on within these couple of months. And when I thought that there was going to be a light at the end of the tunnel, that light just, like, you know, when you have them lights that you click on, it's like somebody clicked the freaking light back off and I'm still stuck in that dark ass tunnel. Like, that's how I was feeling. That's the emotions that was running through me. Like, I was just like, there's no hope. Like a tiny piece of me, like, in the back of my head was just like, is college even for me? Like, is it really? Is that the move? Like, because at that point I was just like, no. Like, if this how college is now, and I'm not even a student technically, then no, that's not where it's at. So I was just like, I had to take a step back from it. And I'm just like, just remember why you want to go to college and what's gonna keep you motivated. I'm like, okay. To this day, like, I still have to go in for another on-campus orientation. I go on the 16th. I'm leaving the 15th of August to go to the orientation on the 16th and then driving back on the 16th. So I have to do it all over again. That's like, I have no choice because I want to start school when school starts. So I have no choice but to do that. Okay. And that's that, really. Like, that's the end of that part. It was just like, it's just too much because I'm already going through personal issues right now, and then to just have that on my plate too, it's like I'm free. Like, the plate is breaking. Like, you can only but have so much on your plate, and that is a lot. But yeah, that's basically the end of this story. There'll be a part 2 because I will be vlogging. Make sure that you subscribe to my vlog channel because I did start my series, my college series, on the lifestyle aspect of it. So make sure that you watch that first video. I'll make sure to have it like right here. And yeah, make sure you watch it. Also, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, of course, so you can be listening to me talk. Let me stop. No, but make sure that you subscribe to this channel too because I have a lot coming in the future. There's gonna be a whole lot of like college decorating, this and that. But before we do that, I have another story time that I have to do about my apartment. So yeah, this video was really long, so I might split this into 2 parts. So yeah, and yeah, that's it. Bye guys. Mwah.